Voila. The innocent husband. Bovy. But anyway, somehow, every day for the thief, one day for the real owner. You understand me now? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll still continue on top of the leadership P and everything we're going to talk about just now. And we'll still get that Dapo banjo inside the whole, inside the studio like this, okay? So before the end of the show, it's always the full face of the Bovy clip for the whole P. Before the end of the show, we'll give our own voucher. Make one lucky person win voucher, 5,000 naira voucher to contemplate anything we want for Chocolate Royale. And we'll ask one question for the end of the whole thing. Whoever it is, we go send us the right question, answer for top Twitter, and then go to play that voucher. And you just sit down, chop and once, like 5K, you just shop the whole thing. You just go your house, say, I don't shop for Chocolate Royale. I just do all right. Okay? So we'll continue on top of the show. Put your ear down. We'll ask one question very, very soon. Okay, so now, we'll talk about 3 P's so far. It remains one more C. We'll still talk about. All right, so Mr. Dapo.
That one is called creativity.
Creativity.
You see, the reason why creativity matter for leadership is say, one solution does not always solve all problems. Okay. So you have to be flexible. Sometimes you go down decide, say, this is the way we go do this thing. And as you see them as a leader, you don't realize, say, we don't go achieve the goal. Okay. For instance, if na production house or if na manufacturing business, and you don't plan, say, okay, in 1 week we go produce 1,000 plastic. Okay. And the way we go do and be say, we go follow step A, B, C, D. And by the time when you see them, you see by Wednesday, you just realize, say, now 250 they don't produce. And production supposed end for Friday. You can't calculate and say, we don't go meet 1,000 deadline. A good leader supposed they creative. You go look at the process very well. You can't say, no, we introduce E and F. She not did the process reach before. If we introduce E and F, we feed meet the target. So a good leader go sit down, you go look
the whole thing,
every situation very well, every task, targets that has been given, assignment that needs to be delivered at a certain time. You have to look at it very well and you have to be creative. And creativity also simply means that even if management give you 1 week to deliver on that thing, as a good leader, why no deliver 2 days or 3 days? Okay. Make management see, say, efficiency day. We know what they do. You see, and when you get to a new place as a leader, you go study how then they do things. And a good leader will say, this is the way you don't do them before.
Before now.
But now as I come, I still say we feel do them like this if we do 1 or 2, 3 things in addition to what they do before. So a good leader suppose they very creative. It's supposed they're creative.
Okay. Now, don't talk about all of these particular things. Now, don't talk about commitments. Don't talk about concern. Don't talk about creativity. Don't talk about, say, you delegate different kind of, you go suppose get that sense of delegation. You understand? And now, that, in fact, if we continue for this particular talk now, we no go finish them. All right, we no go finish them. But we will continue this particular topic on top leadership by next week. And we'll delve more inside different areas of this same leadership issue. But one final word from you, at least, to everybody who they watch, we somehow know the importance of leadership for their own life. One final word before we come out for the whole show.
Now, if you know, like we talked about before we go break, say, every leader wants were followers.
Followers, exactly.
So, if you do not succeed as a good follower, you will never end up as a good leader.
If you not succeed as good follower, you no go ever succeed as good leader.
You will never end up a good leader.
Okay, now because for some break that down now, another topic entirely. So now from there we will continue next week. You understand? How first you go first be follower before you go turn to leader. You know, you don't wake up on the thought you want to become leader. No, this leadership what they talk now. If it be leadership for your house as man, if it be leadership for your working place, if it be leadership for your society, different kind of leadership, one way or the other, as far as you the forefront for that particular place, leadership. But from next, we will talk about followership first before you become the leader. Now, the question for the voucher. Waiting be the 3 C's we will talk plus the extra, we make them 4. You understand? We mentioned 3 C's and then one other extra, we make them 4. Tell us, give us the answer on top Twitter. The first person we will get the full 4 complete, go shop the voucher for the whole level. We'll just come Shockley Royale for here and we'll follow you relate. Okay, so just send us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. At W Late Night Show. Reach for the, give us the 3 Ps plus the extra we'll join, make and 4 on top Twitter. Then we'll know who win, okay? Oga the Dapo banjo sir. We'll say thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. As well start this new one, we'll talk about leadership and everything. We hope say at the end of the day, everybody when they watch like this go find their place as leaders where God don't make them to be. Thank you very much one more time, sir.
Thank you.
All right, so from us for here now, we'll say good night to everybody. We hope say one way or the other. I know say today, Monday will not be big day. We jump up and down, they dance, they sing up and down. No. Now they will just give brain to everybody, okay? Because the way to start your week, now you tell me how everything go to be, all right? So, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, Wednesday, the night for the top +1. Not be joke. Yeah, I'm a year younger on Wednesday. So that day now groove. That day we'll cut rope for a year. We'll do anyhow. Then we'll see artists go to, and they receive gifts. Land, khaki. When I say khaki, with motto, wife, and whatever, no. But if we do audition, you understand? Well, any which way, something will shall work. Ogbolo birthday, 12th of August, Wednesday, we do everything on top here. All right, so for myself and Easy Beats, and of course our guest, Mr. Dibanja, in the building, say good night to all of you. Namona, sleep well, and God bless everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Una, good night.